Take a moment to arrive here, right where you are. Close your eyes and simply check in with yourself honestly. How full are you right now? Not your schedule, not your to do list, but you, your energy, your heart, your inner reserves. So many of us are running on empty, giving and giving and giving without ever stopping to receive, pouring from a cup that has been dry for longer than we want to admit. You cannot give what you do not have, and the world needs you full. As you inhale, imagine a warm golden light pouring into you from above, just like it's filling a cup, filling you slowly from the bottom up, your legs, into your belly, your chest, your heart, your throat, the crown of your head. Let it fill every depleted corner of your being. And as you exhale, simply receive. No giving right now. No thinking about what anyone else needs. Just this, you being filled. You are allowed to be full. You are allowed to receive. You're allowed to put yourself first for this 1 minute without guilt or apology. Come back to this breath every time you feel yourself running low. Your cup matters. You matter. I am sending you so much love.